Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step method to disable Chrome's active downloads notification from showing up on your lock screen in Android. If you've ever found it distracting or unnecessary to have download progress popping up on your lock screen, this quick guide is just for you. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where we'll make all the necessary changes. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device, and from here we'll specifically look for Chrome. Once inside Apps, find and select Chrome. This will take you into the Apps Information page, where you can adjust permissions, data usage, and, most importantly, its notification settings. Now tap on Notifications. This is where you can control what kind of alerts Chrome is allowed to send your way. On the Notifications page, look for notification categories. Tapping this option will show you all the different types of notifications Chrome can generate, such as incognito notifications, media playback, and of course, active downloads. From the list, tap on Active Downloads. This will open a new set of controls that specifically deal with how download notifications behave on your device. Here, tap on Lock Screen. You'll notice a few choices on how these notifications are displayed. Select Don't Show Notifications. By doing this, Chrome's active download progress will no longer appear on your lock screen, removing that extra bit of distraction while still keeping download activity visible in your notification shade when you unlock your phone. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Chrome's active downloads notification from appearing on your lock screen. This small adjustment gives you more control over what information is visible without unlocking your device, adding a little extra privacy and peace of mind. Give it a try and see how much cleaner your lock screen looks without those ongoing download notifications cluttering it up. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply these steps whenever you set up Chrome on a new device or want to fine-tune your notification preferences in the future.